Hello, y'all. I got this in a haul from Wish, and I'm using it as a little runner on my coffee table. And it was really long, and it actually, when I cut it in half, it covered the whole top of my coffee table. But of course, there's some little problems with it, like this little guy right here where I cut it. So I'm going to add some Dollar Tree bling wrap to it, the diamond wrap, and I'm really I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. I'm thinking that it's gonna be really cute, really pretty. This is gonna go, this part of it is gonna go on either side. I'm gonna do it on both sides, and then of course, even though you won't be able to see most of it, I'm just gonna add some to the middle just so it'll connect rather than just to be two pieces. So I will show y'all what that is gonna look like, and I've already kind of started on it, and it's gonna be, of course, a little bit more tedious than I thought, because you really have to like be straight on with things and everything, but I really am thinking it's gonna be pretty and glamorous, considering what it looks like now. So I will be back, and I hope y'all enjoy it. So this is the next step of my coffee table runner, and I put the bling down the sides. I gathered both pieces that I had cut in half, and I put it down the middle, and then also put it on the other side. And then I'm going to, on the ends, I'm going to take my diamond wrap here, and I'm going to place it all along each edge, and that way it'll be all finished up, and I will be back with the finished look. Okay, so I just hot glued this last little corner piece, and what I did is, just to finish it off, I took the four corners and I cut off 5 of the little flower meshes, and I went ahead and put them on each of the sides here. That way they can hang off of the 4 corners of my coffee table.